day bringing my indoor plants outdoors, and I think they're starting to love it. I love it. Who doesn't love it? All right, today's a good day to get out in the garden, do a little bit of winter cleanup, and I just wanted to show what I'm doing, letting my indoor houseplants enjoy this beautiful sun. Absolutely gorgeous. And then of course I'm checking out to see what's in the garden, my organic vegetable garden. I've got a couple of strawberries, some lettuce, but yeah, there's lots of cleanup that I need to do. Go ahead and cut back this beautiful firecracker red bush, my lavender. Oh boy, she did so well over wintering. And what's the secret? I added extra layers of mulch. Look at those roses. I'm so excited. Extra layer of mulch all through the season, year round. I've got some cilantro popping out. Got some onions and some parsley. And then of course we've got some carrots back there. So I just need to get out and clean up the garden area. Some eucalyptus. Look at how huge this one is. I'm loving her. I'm loving her. Starting to see a little bit of signs on my blackberry and my raspberry bushes. That is spring is near the blueberry bushes, the coloring. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like do a little bit of garden pruning, cleaning up a little bit, because I want to be ready when it's time. Look at that rosemary and my mulberry and my grapevines, but I want to be ready when it's time to get outdoors and get that sun. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get out and start growing again. I just wanted to share. It's a beautiful day. Get in your garden and let your beautiful houseplants that have been sitting indoors all winter get out and get a little bit of sun. This year I'm going to do something a little different. All winter I have been clearance shopping at Home Depot. Home Depot is my favorite place to go for clearance items. I found this baby for $18. I'll post a little clip down for $18. So I kept her alive all winter. I'm gonna experiment. I'm gonna have a section in my garden where I'm gonna have tons of indoor plants, and I'm gonna bring them outdoors so that I can enjoy them. You see this bench here? That is my favorite bench. That was on a clearance. That was in the clearance section. It was originally $200 and I got it on clearance for $89. And every season I refurbish that. I might show a video, a long form video. I'll do a video update on that, how I refurbish my garden benches and my pillows and get ready for the new season. I'm so excited. I hope you are. You see this baby? Every season I just wrap her around, and then when the spring comes I unwrap her and then prune her a little bit, give her some new soil. You know, it was a really cold winter, and I was a lazy gardener. I just kind of like threw some of my pots in here and get ready to clean this baby out. So I'm so excited. I just wanted to share my update. Stay tuned. Get those indoor plants outdoors, I tell you. All right, love you. As always, stay loving, be healthy, and stay loving in these crazy days. 2025. It is Super Bowl Sunday. I want to hurry up and get this done so that I can enjoy family and friends as we enjoy the Super Bowl. Super Bowl Sunday. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy like this eucalyptus all winter. Love you guys.